Today I'll be talking about age-related degeneration of macula or AMADA. Age-related degeneration is of two types. Dry type, in which the treatment mainly is related to some antioxidant and vitamin tablets, and exudative or neovascular AMD, in which there is complete loss of central vision if the treatment is not done. In age-related degeneration, the treatment is consisted of regular injections in the eye, which are given every 4 weeks. These injections are called as anti-VEGF. They are different types like Avastin, Eylea, and now a new anti-VEGF molecule like brolucizumab have come up. And these injections, they are highly successful, but if they are given following a proper protocol and given earlier during the disease. If you have AMD and you are not getting any treatment for it, over period of weeks to months, your vision, central vision will be affected permanently, and you will have central area which you will not be able to see clearly. We will like to show one of our patient who came to us with a very advanced stage of neovascular AMD, and we treated, and fortunately the results were very good for the patient. Patient is still under follow-up and has improved by 40 to 50% of the vision as compared to presentation. I will show the pictures of the patient. Patient was one-eyed. Left eye he had lost to the same problem of degeneration 4 years back. He presented to us with problem of hemorrhage and swelling with detachment of the pigment epithelial detachment of the right eye. This is the picture at presentation. We prescribed anti-VEGF medicine to him, and these are the follow-up pictures. This is the picture after first injection, and you can see the swelling and the hemorrhage have reduced a lot. This is the picture after second injection. The retina is getting almost to normal shape. There is the neovascular membrane, but the improvement is significant. This shows the comparison. It was before treatment, and it is almost 3 months after the treatment. You can see the difference, and it resulted in improvement of more than 40% of the vision of a patient who is one-eyed and more than 80 years and is dependent on only that eye for rest of his life for all the activities. So we are happy, and this is not the end of treatment. This patient needs to be on follow-up, and time after time he will need to repeat the injection so that we can maintain this good result in future also. Thank you.